In this video, I'll walk you through how to withdraw money from your YourSafe account, step by step. Whether you're cashing out crypto or moving funds, I'll make sure the process is clear and easy to follow. First, open the YourSafe app or go to the website and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the Wallet or Balances section to see what funds you have available. Select the currency or asset you want to withdraw, whether it's crypto, stablecoin, or another supported token. Next, click on the Withdraw button. You'll need to enter the amount and the destination wallet address or account details. Be extra careful here. Sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds. Choose the network or blockchain, like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, if prompted. This depends on where you're sending the money. Review all the details, including any transaction fees, then confirm the withdrawal. The time it takes for the funds to arrive will depend on the network, but you can usually track the transaction in your wallet or directly through your safe. And that's it. You've successfully made a withdrawal from your YourSafe account. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and wallet guides. See you next time.